Welcome. There is a absolute great deal. If you are in the market for a new Chromebook, there's a great deal right now. Just came across a new Lenovo 5i Chromebook is now on sale on Amazon for $299. Now, they knocked $130 off of the top of this the price of this new Chromebook. So it is a Lenovo Flex 5i Chromebook. Again, normally $430. It is on sale for $299. This is an outstanding deal. If you're in the market for a new Chromebook, this is a perfect Chromebook for you. Now, and the specs, when you think $299 for a brand new Chromebook, this is not the Chromebook that you buy your child for school. Remember during the lockdowns and stuff, they would have you, when kids would have school at home, most schools would require a Chromebook, and you go buy a little rinky-dink Chromebook with like 2 to 4 gigabytes of RAM, like 32 gigs of storage. This is definitely not it. This is on the higher end level Chromebooks. This is why this is such a good deal, because this Lenovo Chromebook is a 2-in-1, so you can make it a tablet. It has a stylus. Stylus does not come with this Chromebook. However, you can pick up a cheap stylus for 10, 15, 20 bucks on Amazon. So stylus does work. You can use it in tablet mode. It's a 2-in-1. Now, here's the cool thing. It has, the specs is Intel Core i3 processor, 11th gen, so it's not that old, still plenty powerful to power a Chromebook. I tend to stay away from the cheaper spec PCs, computers, Chromebooks, because with these little Intel Celeron processors, I know a lot of people, they do have an option, $249, so $50 cheaper. It comes with an Intel Celeron processor. I stay away from those because they last longer, as far as they're able to maintain their good performance longer than if you buy a Celeron. Sure, it'll probably do your normal tasks that you need it to, but Chromebooks get updated for, I think, about 7 years. So if you purchase this Chromebook, you're going to have updates. You can technically keep it. It'll be updated for up to 7 years. It'll get Chrome OS updates, and you're gonna want a processor that's gonna last 7 years. And yes, I do believe this Intel Core i3 will last you 7 years. It also comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, which is pretty good. With those specs, with an Intel Core i3, 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, it should last you a decent amount of time, Chromebook wise. Now, buying a laptop, a personal computer, I would definitely look for better specs. But when you're considering a Chromebook, just something to browse the internet, maybe do some light cloud documents, maybe Google Keep, Google Docs, Google Sheets, stuff like that. Doing just basic internet work, cloud work. If you have to log in for school, log in. Maybe you have a remote job where you basically log in with a VPN onto a work server or something like that. This is going to be perfect for you. It's not that big. It's a 13.3 inch screen, which is a decent size. Again, very toteable. You can put it in a sleeve. You can take it with you in a backpack. All sorts of stuff. Another cool thing is it has USB Type-C. I'm a big proponent of USB Type-C. It has USB Type-C power adapter, and it also has a USB Type-C outlet. So I believe it has two: one for power, one for files, plugging in extra storage, a mouse receiver, comes with Bluetooth, all sorts of stuff. So, and it's USB Type-C Gen 3.2 2, I believe, which is the newest and greatest generation of Bluetooth. Of USB Type-C port. So I'm gonna put a link in the description. It is on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Please check it out. I think out of 697 reviews, it had over 500 5-star reviews, so which is right around 70%. So 7 out of 10 people that did rate and or review this item on Amazon, 7 out of 10 gave it 5 stars. So it's Lenovo. I use that we have a laptop in our home. Also have a Galaxy laptop, but the Lenovo laptop, awesome. Never have any issues. It keeps on trucking along. I think it's like 3 years old, something like that, and it works perfect. So again, this is a really, really good deal. Put a link in the description. There's no promo code. There's no special links or anything special you have to do. Amazon already discounted it, $130. Again, this is brand new, and this will last you for 7 years. I mean, if you get this Chromebook, you're not going to have to worry about getting another Chromebook for a while. So, in fact, I may jump on this offer myself. It's such a good deal. They also have, which is a little more expensive, there's 3 options. The one that's $299, which I'm talking about right now, is the Intel Core i3, 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. They have one for $249, which has the cheaper processor, which I would stay away from. And they have a more even, the top tier, which is, I think it is $349, which has Intel Core i3, 8 gigs of RAM, and I believe it has 256 gigabytes of storage, which I'll leave that up to you, depending on how much you save. Again, Chromebooks, Chrome OS is all about cloud storage. I always tend to go for I never choose anything less than 128. You can always add a external SSD, external storage that pairs perfectly with that USB Type-C port on the side of the Chromebook. So the choice is yours, but this is a very, very good deal, and something you can't pass up if you're looking for a new Chromebook. So check out the link in the description. Peace.